Okay, quick tip of the day. I thought this was kind of a little bit ridiculous, but Zach that's holding the camera right now thought this would be a great idea for our YouTube channel. So, what we got here is just a straight up flash burn shirt, right? Pretty badass. Okay, well what we're gonna do here is we're gonna make a temporary respirator out of this shirt. Now, when you got a piece of metal like this right here, it's got a bunch of shit on it, okay? Well, just watch the stuff come off it real quick. That rust is not good for your lungs. It's not good for your body. It's not good for a lot of things, okay? So, you know, you see me with my shirts cut off, and I'd have this one cut off, but I haven't been to the gym in at least 2-3 weeks, so I'm kind of shrunk up, and it's cold today, okay? But usually I just cut the sleeve off these shirts. You see my sleeves always cut off, and when I cut them off, you know, some of it is for the WelderUp fashion, but I always keep these in my toolbox because I wind up using them for a respirator. All right, so what you do is you take this baby, you pull it over your head like this, and it kind of helps the dust. If you don't have a respirator in your shop, this works good. So you could rob a bank, or you could grind dust with it. Woo!